Hello, this is an instructional math video for Math 152, IN1 at Haywood Community College. This is Tyler Beamer. The purpose of this video is to show how to compute hypothesis testing with the mean when you have data using the TI-84 graphing calculator. Okay, I am using the Chapter 8 Section 4 notes, testing a claim about a mean. And I am going to use the second example where you actually are given data, not statistics. Okay, so listed below are the lead concentrations measured in different Ayurveda medicines, which I probably did not pronounce that correctly. Ayurveda is a traditional medical system commonly used in India. The lead concentrations listed here are from medicines manufactured in the United States. Okay. Use a 0.05 significance level to test the claim that the mean lead concentrations for all such medicines is less than 14 grams. Okay. So our null hypothesis is that it would be equal to 14. The alternative is that it would be less than 14 grams, okay, which is here. All right. So to use our graphing calculator as an aid, we will go to Stat and go over to Test, and once again go to number 2, T-Test. Hit Enter. And instead of Stats, we want to actually go over to Data. Okay. And if you notice, it's asking us for the null hypothesis, and then it says List, L1. So that's where we want to put our data at. So we want to go to L1 list. So stat and enter for edit number 1. And you can do this before you actually go to the stat test screen. So if you want to put it in the list first, that probably is not a bad idea. So we type in the data. Oops. Okay. Make sure I have all the data in. Just make sure you didn't miss any data points, which is easy to do sometimes. Okay, so now once you've got the data put in L1, go ahead and go back to the stat test number 2 T-test and data. Okay, put in our null, which is 14 in this case. And then our list is in L1, so that's good. Frequency is 1, so we want to use all the data points one time. And then we want to select the alternative hypothesis, and we've got not equal to, less than, or greater than. So in this case, we want less than or equal, or less than. And then calculate. Okay, and then that's going to give us our t statistic, which is negative 1.44. Our p-value. Okay, sample mean, standard deviation, and our n. So we would use the p-value here, the probability, to make a conclusion. So since this is a 0.05 significance level, our p-value is not less than 0.05. It's not less than alpha. Okay, therefore we would not have enough evidence to warrant rejection of the null hypothesis. So if we take a look down here, so there's not sufficient evidence to support the claim that the lead concentrations in the medicines is less than 14. So we would not have enough evidence to reject this null. Okay. So hopefully that helps you out with doing hypothesis testing about a mean given data. Hopefully you can use this on homework, quizzes, and tests. So if you have any questions, please email or stop by office hours. Have a great day.